Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Ubuntu 16.04. I'm getting a partial upgrade error message. When I go to partial upgrade here, it asks me for my password. And hopefully I typed that in correctly. Mouse is not behaving properly. Authenticate, and now it's going to read the cache, hopefully. It says it's preparing to upgrade. There it goes. Mouse is behaving erratically. Terminal is not open. There are no upgrades. Upgrade will now be canceled, closed. That's kind of strange. So let's go over to my window, or my monitor is now messed up since attempting the last updates. You can see I've got checking for updates now. Not all updates. So I've already done the partial upgrade. You saw me do that. So I'm going to do continue now to see what happens. We've got application updater closed unexpectedly, show details. Now, unfortunately, with Ubuntu, there's no way of me getting a full stack trace on this. So I click on continue. Software index is oh, I got another password requirement. It's not easy typing with one hand. And I click authenticate. Software index is broken. It is impossible to install or remove any software. Please use the package manager synaptic or run sudo apt-get install F in a terminal to fix this issue at first. So sudo apt-get install -F. Okay, so I'm going to stop this, and let me see if I can get a terminal open. It's not easy with one hand, believe me. Alright, so sudo apt-get install. Let's see if it's going to install -F. That was the command. And of course, it's going to ask me for my password again. Hopefully, I typed that properly. Okay, not fully installed or removed. So yes, I'm going to go with that and see what happens. Seems like it's motoring along here. Although this is very similar to the message I got earlier when I tried booting after the apt install failed. So this is a continuing problem. I'm going to pause here and come back later. Okay, I managed to run sudo apt auto clean, and then I ran sudo update apt-get update again. Its progress is really slow. It was at 79% and now it's at 89%, and it's really slow. I don't know if it's in a loop or not, because you can see that it found init 319, and it's finding it again init 319. The progress is 89%, so I'm not quite sure if that's a continuing problem or not. Oh, we just got a done message, so let's go ahead. I used sudo apt auto remove to clean out the junk or whatever it thought it was junking. Let's try sudo get update, see what's going on, see if it works. Okay, and let's go crazy and we'll do an upgrade. Tab. Okay, 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed. It looks like it's working, but my second screen is not responding. And this screen here is whacked out. This was not the way it was before, so I've got configuration problems. Oh, and I could also reboot to really shake this thing up. Maybe in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy computing. Good luck with your Ubuntu upgrade 1604.